Bismillah. It's so yummy. So for this recipe, I take one chicken breast like that, flat it, like I cut it in the middle, flat it like this, and then make a strip like this. Heat your pan, add just about 2 tablespoons oil, a clove of garlic chopped, add your chicken strips, saute for good 5 minutes, boil some 1 cup pasta. You can take any pasta you like. Boiling water to pasta, and now I'm going to cook it for 5 minutes. 5 minutes is done. Now I'm adding about 3 tablespoons garlic and cream paste. Using just a little bit chili sauce. It is for children, skip it. Of vinegar, oyster sauce, about 1 tablespoon, 1 tablespoon dark soya sauce, half a teaspoon all purpose seasonings, 150 ml, but it's entirely up to you how much you want to use. 2 tablespoons cheddar, mild cheddar cheese. Adults add few chili. Pasta is cooked and safe. My pasta to a plate, serving plate. My pasta is in serving plate. I chop some onion, spring onion, only the green bit, on top of my chicken sauce. And now watch the magic. Look at that.